Good morning, my CAD friends. Now we're going to make another block in TinkerCAD. So we already made block 1. Let's make block 2. Load up TinkerCAD and let's click on Create New Design. That's going to take a second to load. Remember, at any point during the video, if you get lost or confused, just hit pause and then you do the part and then you can resume the video. And feel free to rewind it. I'm going to talk kind of fast. First thing we want to do is bring out a red box and set that in the middle of our screen. Then we're going to click on the corner and we're going to make this 90 millimeters by 90 millimeters by the height, this middle white box, all right, the middle white box by 90 millimeters, all right? So do that, 90 by 90 by 90. Pause the video, you take care of it. Excellent, welcome back. What we're going to make is this block right here. I've loaded it into a photo program so we can see what's happening. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take a look at this. We need to make this triangle, okay? And that triangle gets cut out of our block. And if we notice, this triangle is on the right side of our orientation cube. So we're going to be working on the right side of our block, right? Let's take another look here. If I draw a line, the distance from here to here is about halfway. Because then if we do this side from here to here, they're about the same. This distance is going to be 45 millimeters because the block is 90 and half of 45 is 90. So we know that our triangle needs to be 45 millimeters deep. The distance from here to the bottom is about halfway. So that also is going to be 45 millimeters. So we're going to make that side 45. And the distance from here to here on our top view is also 45 millimeters. So this makes it kind of easy. We're going to make a 45 by 45 by 45 triangle. Okay, let's load up TinkerCAD again. All right, we're going to be working on the right side, which is over here. So let's go down and pull out a green roof, pause the video, take care of that. Now, if we look back at our picture, we notice that the 90-degree corner is up here. All right, so we need to put the 90-degree corner in the top left. There's our 90-degree corner. If we look at ours, we don't have that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this black double arrow, and we're going to rotate this 90 degrees around. And if you hold shift, you see how it clicks in place? So as you're rotating, if you hold shift, it will lock in. Okay. Next, I'm going to click on the word right so we can see this better. But I need to get this corner, all right, to match my picture. So I'm going to click on the top rotation one up here, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Okay. And then I'll move it up by clicking on the black arrow. All right. Now if I look at this image, we got the right-hand corner in the top left. And if we look at our picture, we have the right-hand corner in the top left of our triangle. Now we can start to put in our measurements. I'm going to click on the bottom of the thing, and we're going to do everything 45. 45 there. 45 for the length. And then click in the middle box, 45 for the height. Pause the video, you take care of it. Good job. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to turn this into a hole. So we're going to click on our green rectangle or our green triangle, and we're going to click hole and turn it into a hole because we want to cut away that part of our red cube. Now we're going to select both by clicking in the white area and dragging. See, we get this selection box. All right, so pause the video, select everything. Once everything is selected, click on the Align tool, which is right up here in the top right. It says Align, or you can press the letter L. Now, we don't want everything to move, so we are going to be clicking on the red box. That means that the red box is now glued in place and will not move, and it means that our whole triangle will move. And then just click on these black things around to get it where we want it. So right there, nope, that's in the middle. The end is good. That's the bottom. We want it on the top. And that, oh, there we go. If we look at that right there, and we go back to Photopea, it's right there in that corner. So we are now ready to group it one final time. Drag a box, group it, and we have our shape. Pause the video, take care of that. If you can't get it to line up, just keep trying, all right? Hit undo and try it again from scratch. Don't forget to name it up here. I'm going to call it Corbett. This is block 2. All right, don't forget to name it. Now we're going to hit the home button, hit the corner to get a nice view, nice 3D view. All right, I clicked right here on this corner to get that so I can see everything. Print screen. And then we're going to go to the turn-in document that you have open. And you can scroll down. There's the first block. We'll come down here. This is worth 2 points. Okay. And we're going to paste our screenshot right here. All right. Make sure that I can see. All right. Something got messed up. So paste your screenshot right there. I have to crop mine a little bit because I have 2 screens. But I want to be able to see the name right there. Okay. Your name needs to be on there. So I know that you did it. So if I zoom in a little bit, right there it says Corbett Block 2. There we go. Corbett's got 4 points already. Doing a great job. See you in the next video.